4 records were broken on Monday's opening day of the 3-day Insports Central Primary Schools Athletics Championships being held at GC Foster College. All-Island champions Naga Head Primary are also the defending Central champions.
Preparation had its ups and downs. The students, I think, are ready physically and also mentally to compete for the 3 days. Yes, we had some rain up to last week, but we have to try to work around with the weather. And then last week also students had PEP exams going on, so we have to work around with the training. So what we did is just get them up and ready for the last 2 days, the Friday, over the weekend. We spent some quality time with the students to get them ready for the Central Champion.
Former champions Spanish Town Primary and Greater Portmore finished runners-up and 3rd last year, and they're looking to turn around those results.
I think it's looking pretty well. We still have 1 mistake so far, so we're looking pretty well so far. The preparation is a rough one. We put up 3 injuries to our 3 vital athletes. They're coming back, but we're not at their full fitness, but we have to give thanks.
The team is in transition this year. We are not what we would want to be, but we're trying with the set of athletes that we have this year. We're not as talented as we would normally be, but we're just trying to put our best foot forward to see where we can finish.
Anthony Gibbs is the assistant meet manager.
We're looking pretty well. Unfortunate for a little late start based on some little technicalities and stuff like that. But we are on the way and we are doing fine so far. And it's track event, so we'll catch up easily on the track event. The field event started on time, so yes, we should be seeing great times.
11 finals are set to be contested on Tuesday's 2nd day.